Hey guys, this is Tom with ProMediaGear. In today's video, we are going to show you how we mount different types of heads on the 31st series tripod with the leveling head. First one up is the VH50. So on the BH50, locate the penning knob. This here is like the all-around knob that controls this. Okay, what you want to do is lock down the penning knob, or actually you can get it loose. There's two ways to get this on. So I can open this up, get it loose. This way I can spin the penning base. And with the penning base loose, I can just rotate it this way. Alternatively, you can lock this down and then spin the whole head on. So those are two ways of putting this on. To get a tighter grip on the tripod, you want to lock down the penning knob and just give it a strong twist, a strong turn. This way you'll get a really good connection here between the base plate and the tripod. And then loosen it and then use as desired, okay? Now obviously throughout your use, also sometimes monitor that this doesn't get loose, because if you have it really tight, then if you didn't tighten it very strongly, then this could get loose. So just be mindful of that. I think next time you'll realize how much force you need to tighten it down depending on how you use it, okay? And this is how we unmount it. Tighten this, and then give it a quick jerk, and then we can get it loose. Then I loosen the penning knob, and then I just untwist it. That's how I do it. Now we have the VH1. Same mount, all the heads have the same mount, 3/8" 16 thread. So I loosen the knob and I tighten the penning base. I just find that's a little quicker. Then tighten the penning knob and then just move the whole head, and this tightens it, okay? Want to make sure that the base is tight too. Then loosen the penning knob and then feel free to use this as desired, okay? You don't actually need a lot of friction when using the penning knobs, because there isn't really any force that's kind of making you, shift your camera left and right here. So just a little bit of force is always required for penning. Okay, now to remove it, tighten the penning knob again, give it a quick jerk, and that gets this loose from the tripod. Then loosen the penning knob again. Am I going too fast? Okay. So we got the VH1 off the tripod. Now next one would be the Katana Pro or the GKJR. Again, I don't know if you've seen me, I loosen the penning knob and then I rotate the plate. So that's a common thing among all the heads. Then if you want to lock it down further, tighten the penning knob and just give a strong tug to kind of get this plate locked on again. Then feel free to use it to remove it. Tighten this. No, you need a little bit more. All right, so this one required more force. So you got to make sure you tighten this a lot and then give it a strong push, okay? In some of the newer one actually, we have a hole in the base where you can put in a pin in the base and unlock it that way, okay? And this one here actually don't, but the newer versions have a pin in there that helps you dislodge it, okay? But the same technique where lock down the penning knob and turn, okay? So we got a little bit of a cutting here, okay? And just loosen the base plate, okay? So we gotta cut out the bad parts here, okay? Now the big one, the GK Katana, okay? If you see, this one has a hole here that would help you lock or dislodge the head as well. But again, I loosen the penning knob and then just tighten the base. Okay, that's easier than tilting this all the way around, okay? I think you need 4 or 5 full revolutions, okay? So to tighten this further, tighten the penning knob and just give it a strong tug, okay? So that's it, it's tightened. You can also level it here with the head. Okay. Okay, so right now we have a properly mounted katana, the big katana. To remove it, just repeat the same procedure. Lock this down, give it a strong push, and then you can loosen it and just basically unscrew the base. All right, any questions? Contact us at info@ProMediaGear.com. Thanks for watching.